All right, perfect. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. All right, what we're going to do today, hang on, someone said in the chat, hi, teacher. Oh, no, that was your message. Okay, cool. All right, so what we're going to do today is, yes, someone raised their hand. Yes, Yishan, you okay? You raised your hand? All good? Yes, one second, they wanted to know. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we are going to learn comprehension. Do you all have fun? Do you all like comprehension? Who likes comprehension? Oh, you don't like comprehension? Oh no, both of y'all don't like comprehension? Hey, do you know that teacher Gloria has been an English teacher for many years, for 15 years? I taught in Raffles Girls Primary School, and then I taught in Whitley Secondary School. So I'm very excited to teach Scott and Isha now. Yes, Scott, you raised your hand. You have a question, darling? No, you okay? You good? Okay, let's start. So today we're going to do grammar questions. All right, and then we are going to do vocabulary and comprehension as well. Okay, give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I do not know why. It was a Chinese saying, right? When something goes wrong, everything also goes wrong. We all speak Chinese, right?
Yeah.
I do not know why something is going wrong today. Let me just check 1 second. No. This is lesson 45, right? It's not 46, so I think I got the wrong worksheet. Give me a second. Let me stop share. All right, never mind. Scott, while I'm preparing this, tell me what lesson did teacher Joel have with you last week? What was it? You remember? Oh, you don't remember? Oh no, what happened to Joel? Sorry, what happened to Scott? Are you there, Scott? You want to unmute yourself and tell me, Scott? You cannot remember what happened last lesson? Oh dear. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to take out the slides because I think because I'm doing relief, right? Some things went off a little bit off. Don't worry. We will figure it out together. Okay, it's just going to take a little bit more time. So anyway, I want to ask you something. Have you all been to Australia before?
No.
Scott says yes. Ishan says no. Which part of Australia, Scott? You want to unmute yourself and tell me? Unmute yourself and tell me, Scott, which part of Australia have you been?
I just went to Melbourne 2 weeks.
Oh, wow, you just went to Melbourne. How was Melbourne? Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. All right. And what did you do in Melbourne?
I stayed at my relative's house for 4 days.
Oh, okay. And then? Did you have a good time? Where are the places that you visited in Melbourne?
Melbourne City.
Oh, wow, Melbourne City. That looked like fun. And do you have a good time in Melbourne City? Yes? All right, that's good. All right, so today we are not going to talk about Melbourne City, but we are going to talk about something else. You should come and visit me in Perth. I live in Perth. All right, so one of these days you should come and visit me. All right, I hope this works now.
I know where Mr. Joel lives.
Where does Mr. Joel live?
In Sydney.
Oh, Mr. Joel lives in Sydney. Well, that's very interesting because I live in Perth. So we are both in Australia. Nice. All right, let's start this. Let's just hope that this one works because I am tired. All right, let's see. All right, this is working. Do you all see the screen?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be about grammar close and vocabulary close, and we're going to do a little bit of synthesis and transformation, okay? So let's do this together. All right, next slide. We're going to do a preparatory class. I know y'all are big boys. Y'all are 8 years old in primary 2, but guess what? 2024, you're going to go to P3. That's a big time, right? It's a big, all right? It's a big step for y'all. And we want to do a little bit of revision, okay? So let's go on. All right. So today we're going to do not 1, not 2, but we're going to do 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayo, Miss Gloria cannot count. We're going to do 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me just ask you. I know both your name, Ishwan and Scott. Do you all know my name? What's my name? I said it just now. Uh-oh, you all have been talking to me for so long and you do not know my name. Okay, look at the screen. You will know my name. My name is Miss Gloria. Okay? All right, so today we're going to do 5 things. We're going to do grammar close. So are we ready to do this? Okay. All right. Scott, have you done this exercise already or is this the first time you're looking at it? Sorry, you want to unmute yourself and tell me, have you done this before already? Yes, you've done this before? Oh, okay. And Ishwan, you have not done this before, right? All right, never mind. It's good revision. Let's do this again. Mary and Sarah were going to exercise in the park. Dash were going with their parents. Mary helped the mother to prepare some sandwiches. So who's going with their parents? Ishwan, tell me the answer for number 1.
Mary's mother.
Yeah, but you need to use the A, B, C, D, E, F. Which one? We were going with their parents. Our were going with their parents. You, they, us, or I?
We.
Mary and Sarah were going to exercise in the park. We were going. If we say we, it's supposed to be what parents? So it's not we. Scott, do you want to help out, Ishan? What is number 1? You want to tell me, Scott? What is number 1? Unmute yourself.
Is they.
Fantastic. They were going with their parents. Mary helped her mother to prepare some sandwiches. When they arrived at the park, all right, they found a bench to put down their things. And what happened? Shall Dash go to the fitness area together? All right, Ishwan, try this. Number 2. And number 3 is Scott. Number 4 is Ishwan. Ishwan, number 2, what is the answer for number 2? Shall?
A.
Shall they?
A.
Shall we go to the fitness areas together? Very
A.
good. Yes, very good. We. The answer is A, which is we. Well done. Sarah asked Mary, that's a good idea. Let's invite Dad to join. Scott, what is it? Number 3? Dad should join.
Us.
Fantastic. Dad should join us. Mary answered excitedly. Dad would. Ishwan, Dad would.
You.
Fantastic. Dad, would you like to join
You.
Sarah and me? Yes, fantastic. Dad nodded his head and their mother watched them from a distance. They had a lot of fun exercising at the park. All right. Ishan says, I'm not 8, 7.5. Okay, hang on, guys. All right, well done. Let's go to the next one. Oh, the next one shows the answer already, all right? They were going with their parents. We will go to the fitness together and Dad will join us. And would you like to? All right, let's try number 2, subject verb agreement. All right, so I think you did this already. This is singular sentence. The apple is right. But if there is more than 2 apples, the apples are. Thank you. All right, so this is is and are what tense? Anybody can tell me? What tense is and are? Is it past tense or present tense? Anybody knows what that is?
Present tense.
Thank you. It is present tense. I'm not sure why my pen is not working again. Give me a second. Okay, it's not working. Okay. All right. It's present tense. Is and are present tense. The apple is right. The apples are right. But if you want to say it 2 days ago, past, something that happened yesterday, happened 2 months ago, the student was angry. All right. This is past tense and it's singular. One student, so was. Many students were. Understand? All right. So singular verbs go with singular subjects. Okay, so let's look at this, all right? I can't get my pen to work. Give me a second. Let me try to get my pen to work. I'm not sure.
What's a pen?
This is the pen that I use to write. Does Mr. Joel use this? Scott, he doesn't use it? Oh, okay. I'm trying to write, but I can't seem to write. Give me a second. Okay, so if you look here, singular subject, what? Oh no, dear Lord. Let me erase.
When you press the apple.
Sorry?
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, I tried this, okay? Apple is one, so the verb is also one. When apples are plural, then the verb are also plural. So singular subject is singular. Let's look at that. The man has a car. The men. All right, I want to ask Scott the difference. What is the difference between M-A-N and M-E-N? What is the difference between M-A-N and M-E-N? Anybody has any idea?
Oh, M-A-N is only one man. M-E-N is more than one man.
Fantastic. Very good. So now I'm going to ask Ishan. If it is one, it's called child. But if it's more than one child, what do we call them?
Children.
Fantastic. Yes, both of y'all got it right. If it's one, it's a child, but if it's more than one, it's children. Okay, let me try one more. Okay, let's see whether Ishan got it or Scott got it. When it's a mouse, it's one. When it's more than one?
Mice.
Thank you. Do you call it mouses? Can I say mouses?
No.
You can't
It
say
sounds like you got moles.
Yes, you can't say mouses. It
This
has
one has a mole.
Oh, okay, wait, I'll give you one more. Wait, think of
two.
one. Okay, one goose. More than one? 5? Is it goose or what?
Geese. Wait, no, not geese. Wait, is it geese?
Yes, it's
It
geese.
is.
It is geese.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. So, okay. So whenever there's a singular subject, you need to use a singular verb. Apple is right. Apples are right. Student was angry. Students were angry. The man has a car. The men have cars. My sister, okay, this is interesting, okay? When if it's one person, when there is one subject, which is one sister, the sister likes sweets or likes sweets. I'm sorry, I haven't had breakfast or lunch. I'm going to take one biscuit. Sister like sweets or likes sweets? Do you put the S or without the S?
Huh? S.
Yes, my sister likes. But when you have more than one sister and there is 4 or 5 sisters, what does it become? My sisters like. Okay, I test you, okay? Let me think. Let me think. My brother like swimming or likes swimming? My brother like swimming or likes swimming?
Like, maybe?
Think about it.
Likes.
Again. One brother. My brother like or likes?
Likes.
Thank you. Okay, now I change. My brothers like.
Without the S.
Very good, Ishwan. Very good, Scott. Next year, you all are going to be so good in your English class. Okay, let's try this.